work I have put into the plinth filling that you have added here. Roll number 70. If any doubt is there, please ask. Roll number 70. If you are having any doubt, please ask. Unmute yourself. Roll number 70. If you are having any doubt, please ask. You have raised your hand. Okay. So these are the activities I have planned. First one is prepare the plan, house plan, then construct the house. So it includes everything that foundation work, then plinth, then RCC work, column, beam, slab, wall construction, everything is comes under that slab. Third one is fixing of doors and windows. This is the third activity according to me. Then fourth activity is wiring of the house, electric wiring. Fifth activity is painting of the house. And last activity is the polishing doors, windows and surface, all the styles, etc. So these activities are there. And for these activities, I have given some time duration. Okay, so this first set table I have prepared, that activity name A, B, C, D, E, F. So 6 activities are there according to me. Then these activities should be shown between which starting point, starting event to finishing event. That is also shown to given by me. The first activity should be from 1 to 2. That event node number 1 to 2. Second activity should be from 2 to 3. Third activity should be from 3 to 4. Fifth activity should be from 3 to 5. Fifth activity should be from 4 to 6. And last activity should be from 5 to 6. So that I have decided. Then for this activity, whatever the time required, that is also decided. That for first activity, 4 days are required, time duration, last column. For construct the house, for that activity, 58 days are given. So in that 58 days, everything will be included: foundation work, column, beam, RCC work, wall construction, slab, etc. After that, fixing the door and windows. This can be simultaneous activity with construction of house, and for that 2 days are given, maximum 2 days are given. For wiring the house, it is with the construction only, for that 2 days are given. Then painting the house. So painting the house should be completed, gone for after door fixing activity, and 1 day is given. And polishing the door, this is the last activity, for that 1 day is given. So for this plan, if you are having any doubt, please ask me.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, wiring of the house is done at the time of construction of house.
Yeah, because when wall when that wall is completed, that काय म्हणते त्याला की आपण भिंतीत खाच मारून
conduit wiring system.
Conduit wiring system. That's why it is with the construction of house. म्हणजे घर बांधत असताना भिंत बांधली गेली, आपण तर स्लॉट पॉट वायरिंग हातरून घेत नाही का, कनेक्शन फक्त देत नाही, फक्त वायरिंग हातरून घेतो, आठवते का? प्लास्टिक करायच्या अगोदर, प्लास्टिक करायच्या अगोदर प्लास्टिक करायला म्हणजे वायरिंग कुठून वर दिसून ये म्हणून पाईप वगैरे टाकून आतल्या भिंतीतनं सगळ्या वायरी ओढून घेतो आपण. त्यामुळे मी तिथे
ऍक्टिव्हिटी एकदमच करतात ना त्याने.
कुठलं
वायरिंग आणि कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हाऊस दोन्ही एकदमच होतात.
होय की मग त्या दोन्ही म्हणजे त्या सायमल्टेनियस दाखवल्यात नाही काही तर डायग्राम मध्ये, पण सी आणि डी. ठीक आहे, आता ते दाखवलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे आता हा प्लॅन मी माझ्या मनाने म्हणजे घेतलेला आहे. ह्यामध्ये थोडेफार आता म्हणजे मला सिव्हिलचं तेवढं नॉलेज नाही ना तुमचं, ते फ्लिंच भरते किंवा स्लॅब म्हणा काय, त्या सिक्वेन्स मला माहित नाही ना जास्त. म्हणजे आपल्याला ओव्हरऑल दिलेला आहे प्लॅन. म्हणजे ज्या कन्स्ट्रक्शन नंतरच्या ज्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहेत त्याला मला थोडा जास्त इम्पॉर्टन्स द्यावा लागला. जर मला थोडं सिव्हिलचं बॅकग्राऊंड असतं तर मग मी फाउंडेशन वर्क लाईक 10 दिवस, स्लॅबला 5 दिवस, असे ठरवले ऍक्टिव्हिटी दिल्या, कॉलम अँड बीमला 20 दिवस, असे दिले असते डिटेल. ठीक आहे. So this is the
Okay.
plan. Then from this particular plan, how we should go to, or how we should prepare the network diagram. So first activity number A, preparation of house plan, that is in between event 1 to event 2. So I have started here one number. This is my starting event. I have used a Ferguson rule that number 1 event, from this only outgoing should be there. No incoming to this node, first node or first event. Then from this 1 to 2, that means from starting node 1 to 2, A activity is going on. This is the A activity. And this A activity consumes 4 days. So here I have written in bracket 4 days. Okay. Then after first activity, that means after sanction of house plan, I have started house construction. So that is activity number 2 to 3. Okay, so that activity is 2 to 3. So this activity indicates that this is the second activity, B activity. So here it is written 2 to 3. Okay, so here it is written 2 to 3. Then in this activity, the 58 days are required. So it is shown here 58 days. Then from third node, there are 2 activities. Okay, and these 2 activities are fixing the doors and windows and wiring the house. So 3 to 4 is the C activity, that is the fixing the doors, and 3 to 5 is the wiring the house. So these 2 activities. So third number node is the burst event or burst node. So from these 2 activities are going. These activities, C and D activities, should be simultaneous activities. Okay. Then after this 4 to 6, painting the house. Okay, so 4 to 6, that is activity number E. Activity E, that is painting the house. For that 1 day is given. And simultaneously, as one room is get painted, immediately it should be get cleaned, or that doors or that windows of that room should be get polished. So 5 to 6. So 5 to 6, this activity is polishing the windows. After wiring, go for polishing. For that again 1 day is given. So activity number 6 is the end activity. Activity number 6 is the end activity, and from end activity there is a nothing is coming out. From that end activity, nothing is coming out, only all are incoming activity. So this is the your network for this your project. Okay, so this is the network diagram for your project. So it is very simple one. So you have to decide the activities. For that activities, what is the description of your activities? That activities are from which point to which point, that starting point and finishing event you have to define. And here you have to decide the procedures. So procedures are very, very important. For example, for first activity, prepare the house plan. For this activity, nothing is procedures. This side nothing is there. So here I have put dash. But to construct the house, for this activity, what is the procedures? That house plan should be ready. Unless and until house plan should be ready, I cannot go for this construction of house activity. So preparing house plan is the first activity, procedure activity. When and when this is completed, we can go to the B activity. Then for further C and D activities, what is the procedure activity? B activity is procedure activity. That is the construct the house. That activity should be completed. Then for E activity, that is the paint the house. For painting, what is should be completed? Fixing of windows and doors should be completed. For F, polish the doors and this. For this polishing and finishing activity, wiring and your fixing the doors or painting should be completed. So like this, the things are there. Okay, so these things are shown in the diagram. Okay, so this is the your construction of network diagram. I hope you understood this. You have to first prepare this table, and from this table you can prepare such a diagram, or sometimes in exam direct diagram is given to you, such a diagram. If not given, then this table is given to you people, and from this table you have to prepare the diagram. So by looking at table, preparation of diagram is a little bit easier task. Once this particular thing is completed, then this is the something about the description part. The network diagram in 8.11, that is here, whatever is shown here, shows the procedure relationship between the activities. Activity A, that is preparation of house plan, has start event 1 as well as end at event 2. Activity B, construction of house, begin at event 2 and end at event 3. The activity B cannot start until activity A has completed. So already we have gone through this. We are knowing this thing. Is it right? Then activity C and activity D cannot begin until activity B has completed. So already we have gone through this, and that is shown in the network, and that is well represented in the network. There is no problem about this network diagram. Then let's take example number 2. Consider the project given in table 2.2 and construct a network diagram. So just first we are going for construction of network diagram. This particular part we have considered. So what are the activities are there? Activities are there: purchase of land, preparation of building plan, level or clean the land, register and get approval, then construct the building and paint the building. If these activities are there, then in this activity, what are the procedures? So initial activity A is purchase of land, is the initial activity for all the conditions. Once purchasing is over, then you can make the preparation. Okay, so preparation of building plan. So level and clean the land. First, to level and clean the land, you must have land. Purchasing of land should be the procedures for activity C. Okay, then registration and get approval. For approval, you must require purchasing documents, legal documents, as well as building plan document. So A and B are the two activities which are procedures for activity D, that is register and get approval. Construct the building. For constructing the building, what is the procedure activity? That registered and approval with you. That land is with you, then building plan is with you, and that building plan must be approved. So that part should be the register and approval. Construct the building. C, for constructing the building, register and approval should be there, and clean and leveling the land of is required. And for painting the building, construction should be completed. If these are the activities, then what is the diagram? So these many diagrams can be there. Okay, so solution. Activity C and D have common procedures. So activity C and D are having common procedures, A and B. Okay, so for in this given table, if you just look at this given table, there are, for C and D activity, there are two procedures are there, A and B. That means for C and D activity, A and B are the procedures. So based on this, you can prepare these many types of diagrams. Okay, network diagrams. Okay, so activity C and D have common procedure A. The network represented in figure 8.12 A, B is different. Okay, so you just check what activities are violating and what activities are not violating. Just look at to these diagrams, and I will ask the question after 2 minutes. Just watch these diagrams for next 2 minutes, so that I can ask the questions whether these activities are correct or not. What is the difference between first two diagrams? Can anybody tell me what is the wrong in first two diagrams? First A diagram and B diagram. What is the wrong in first two diagrams? Hello? Hello, anybody? Hello, somebody is talking. Just I'm not able to listen your voice. Samartha, are you talking something? Please stop. Hello? What is the wrong in these first two diagrams? These two diagrams, 8.12A and B. There is something wrong in first two diagrams. But what is the third diagram is there? This is the correct diagram. Just tell me what is the wrong in first two diagrams. Anyone? Anyone? Just tell me what is wrong in first two diagrams. Please unmute yourself. Hello? I am not getting any reply from your side. Then there it may be difficult to me to interact with you if you are unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself and please talk with me. Don't keep mute as it is. Hello, hello. Please unmute yourself. What is the wrong in first two diagrams? Can anybody tell me? Please unmute yourself and please talk to me. Activities A and B begin at same event. Begin at same event C. Not here. Here in first case, activity A and B are starting from same point and ending at same point. Okay, please unmute yourself and talk to me without writing in something in that box, chat box. Please. Hello. Please unmute yourself and talk to me. I am waiting for your reply. Huh? Everybody, I am waiting for your reply. It is very difficult to me to understand whether you understood this point or not. Please. Diagrams are in front of you. Please unmute yourself and talk me. Talk to me. Hello. Please give me some reply. It is very difficult to me to judge. Hello. Hello, please. I am requesting you people. Hello, I am requesting to you people. Please talk to me. Unmute yourself. Hello, please unmute yourself. I'm waiting for your reply. Hello. Samartha, any point? Anything from your side?
सर मागचं डायग्राम थोडं एक्सप्लेन करा की सर, काल नाही मागचं ते टेबल.
हा table का? Okay,
हो क्वेश्चन. हा
this is the given table to you. Here in this table, activity A. What is the activity A? Activity A is purchase of land. Activity B is preparation of building plan. Activity C is the level or clean the land. Activity 4 is register and get approval. Activity 5, construct the building. And activity C, activity F, paint the building. So these 6 activities are given to you. In these 6 activities, for activity A and B, there is no precedent activity. So purchasing of land and preparation of building plan, these two are the two independent activities are there. So without having land also you can prepare the plan. Okay, so it indicates that. Then level or clean the land. When you can able to level or clean the land? When you are having
purchase the land.
when purchase the land, that means when you are having land with you, is it right? So for activity C, A is the preceders. म्हणजे A कंप्लीट झाल्याशिवाय तुम्ही सी करू शकत नाही. बरोबर आहे. त्यानंतर ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी काय आहे? रजिस्टर अँड गेट अप्रुव्हल. तुम्ही रजिस्टर आणि अप्रुव्हल कधी मिळवू शकतो? तुम्हाला
पर्चेसिंग लँड अँड बिल्डिंग प्लॅन.
हा, म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे लँड पण अवेलेबल पाहिजे आणि तुमच्याकडे बिल्डिंग प्लॅन पण अवेलेबल पाहिजे, तरच तुमच्याकडनं रजिस्ट्रेशन आणि अप्रुव्हल मिळेल तुम्हाला. तर असं काय आहे का बाबा की विदाऊट लँडचा तुम्ही बिल्डिंग प्लॅन नाही असेल ते अप्रूव्ह होतोय? असं काय आहे का की तुम्हाला त्या अप्रुव्हल प्रोसिजर तुम्हाला 7 बारा लावावा लागतो ना, लँड आहे माझ्याकडे म्हणून, जमीन आहे माझ्याकडे. So that indicate here in activity D. Activity D, what is the activity D? Get register and approval. For that these two activities are very important. If these two activities are completed, then and then the activity can be completed. Then construct the building. When you can construct the building? If you are having leveled or clean land, then and then you can construct the building. Is it right? And paint the building. When you can paint the building? If you are having approved and construction of building. So for F, there should be D and E should be there. But here only D is given. कळलं? पेंट द बिल्डिंगला 2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट पाहिजे. कुठल्या? कन्स्ट्रक्शन आणि अप्रुव्हल दोन्ही पण पाहिजे ना तुमच्याकडे, तरच तुम्ही पेंटिंग करणार आहे. पण इथं काय दिलंय की बाबा त्यांनी फक्त एकच दिलंय, बाबा अप्रुव्हल असलं तरी ठीक आहे, कन्स्ट्रक्शन इज सायमल्टेनियस ऍक्टिव्हिटी. म्हणजे इथे तुमच्याकडे डी ऍक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट झाली पाहिजे. म्हणजे सी ऍक्टिव्हिटी करण्यासाठी तुमच्याकडे ए ऍक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट पाहिजे. देन पुढची डी ऍक्टिव्हिटी करण्यासाठी बी आणि ए आणि बी ह्या 2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट पाहिजेत. नंतर ई ऍक्टिव्हिटी करण्यासाठी सी ऍक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट झाली पाहिजे आणि एफ ऍक्टिव्हिटी करण्यासाठी डी ऍक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट झालेली पाहिजे. कळलं का तुम्हाला या टेबलचा अर्थ? आणि तुमच्याकडे फक्त या 6 ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहेत अवेलेबल. तर ह्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला आता डायग्राम काढायचे, नेटवर्क डायग्राम. तो हिअर देअर डायग्राम्स आर शोन इन दिस वे. म्हणजे जर मी स्टार्टिंग पॉईंट पासून 2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी सायमल्टेनियस दाखवल्या, परचेस ऑफ लँड अँड प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बिल्डिंग प्लॅन, तर दिस 2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी शुड नॉट बी सायमल्टेनियस बिकॉज फ्रॉम single first point there are 2 arrows can be going out, no problem. But here in this event these 2 arrows are coming to this. So this is very difficult. Hello, everybody is listening. कुठं प्रॉब्लेम आहे कळतोय? या ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये पहिल्या डायग्राम मध्ये फक्त इथं प्रॉब्लेम आहे. ह्या पहिल्या नोड मधून 2 एरो निघाले ते मान्य आहे मला, की मी एका साईडला लँड परचेस चालू केलं आणि एका साईडला बिल्डिंग प्रिपरेशन चालू केलं, प्लॅन बनवायला चालू केलं, पण ते दोन्ही एरो एकाच पॉइंटला मर्ज होते. दॅट इज द प्रॉब्लेम इन दिस डायग्राम. वेदर ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? Whether all of you understood this point? Hello? Hello? Hello, whether all of you understood this point? Then from this activity, then third C activities get started. What is the C activity? C activity is leveling the ground. Okay, that is okay. Then D, go for register or approval. Construct the house and paint it. Okay, so these things are there, no problem. But here the problem is there. Then if you go to this particular side, here also purchasing the land and development of plan, if these two activities are different one, then there should not be two starting point. So here starting point are two. Hello, everybody is listening me? Whether you are understood what I am saying, please reply me, otherwise I am in confusion whether you are understood or not this point. लक्षात येते का? पहिल्या डायग्राम मध्ये एका पॉइंट मधनं 2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी बाहेर पडतात, मान्य आहे, 2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी तयार होतात, पण त्या दोन्ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी एकाच इव्हेंटला जाऊन मर्ज व्हायला लागलेल्या आहेत किंवा एकाच इव्हेंटला जाऊन एंड व्हायला लागलेल्या आहेत. तो माझा प्रॉब्लेम येत आहे, कारण दोन्ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी पॅरलली कधी एका इव्हेंटला एंड होत नाही. त्या पण एकाच पॉइंट मध्ये निघणार आणि एकाच पॉइंट मध्ये एंड होणार, तर त्या 2 ऍक्टिव्हिटी असू शकत नाही. सो हियर रूल इज व्हायोलेटिंग. So this is not good diagram. Then if you go to the second point, then preparation of purchasing of land, this is A activity, and preparation of building plan, this is B activity. Both activities are coming to this particular point. There is again no problem to be, but problem is that these two should not be starting point. So according to our rule, starting point should be only one. Hello, all of you understood this point? Starting point should be 1. That's why this diagram and these first 2 diagrams are not correct, because they are violating the rules. So here it is written, violates the rules that no 2 activities can begin and end same event. It appears if activity B is precedence of activity C, which is not in this case. So go to the third diagram, that is logical way. So first number is this. So activity A, purchasing of land, is separate activity. That preparation of plan is different activity. Then what is the C activity with us? That C activity is level the land, and for that only A is required to be preceders. So here for this C activity, this A is the preceders, but for D activity, A and B two are the preceders. So you can, for this D activity, A and B both are preceders. So you can show here dummy activity. So this is shown here in dotted way, and dummy activity is towards this event. So this event, before this event, how many activities are there? This and this. So these 2 activities are preceders for D activity. Then C can be preceders for E activity, and D can be preceded for F activity, and these 2 are meeting and ending at this end point. So Fulkerson rules we are following here: single point starting, single point ending. Okay, single point starting, single point ending. There is a no activity starting coming out from same point and ending at same point. So here that rule is violating. 2 activities coming out from same point and ending at same point. Here 2 starting points are there, and these 2 rules are we have covered here. So this is the correct diagram. So just listen, and if you are having any question, please ask me. If you are having any questions, please ask me faster so that I can understand whether you understood or not. If you are having any question, please ask me. I am still waiting for your reply. Hello? Hello? Is there any big problem that whatever I have taught, it is not understood by you? Hello? Hello? Please reply me, my friends. I am too much in confusion. Hello? Or shall I consider that you have understood everything? Understood, sir. I got a very nice reply from one of the friend. No problem for that. Just tell me what is the Werfel-Nicolson rule we have followed here in this case. Please reply me. Please reply me. Hello, please reply me. Shall I consider you understood everything? There is no problem with you. Please unmute yourself. Because once you understood this task, then it is very easy to go forward. Because for CPM and PERT, you have to construct the diagrams. You are required to construct your own diagrams. This. So let's consider these activities. Again, I'm repeating the same thing. 5 activities are there. Sorry, 6 activities are there. And for these activities, these are the procedures shown in the table itself. This is the given data to you people. And based on this given data, you are going for the preparation of network. Okay. Then if you prepare the network in such a way that activity A and B, it is wrong one. Why? Because 2 activities are ending at here, but that 2 activities are leaving from or they are coming out from this node. So starting point and ending point of activity should not be same for 2 activities. So that rule is violating here. Okay. So 2 activities can begin and end at same event. So this is not happening. This is not the rule. This diagram is wrong. If you go to the next diagram, A activity and B activity, that A activity purchase of land and preparation